Let's go over shimming and installing an oil pump on an LS. Here we have a Melling high pressure, high volume oil pump. There's a part number. Let's go ahead and get it set on there. Okay, just slide it on there. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. I got lucky there. I guess we'll put these bolts in, just finger tight, just kind of hold it in place. You pop this front cover off. Okay, now the goal here is to make sure that this outer gear is perfectly centered in this housing. We want to have equal clearance around the outside of this thing so oil gets around there evenly. So what we do is we take these shims and we kind of slide them in between the gear and the housing. Okay, we got our shims on the top and the bottom. That's going to hold this gear into place. Then we go ahead and torque down the housing. These bolts go to 18 foot-pounds. Pop out these shims. Now, if you did that right, this should be free. That's what we want. I'm going to put some oil in all these gears, these little crevices here. And around the sides as well. Spin it over a little bit. So make sure we're not going to be dry when we go to start it up. And these bolts go to 106 inch-pounds. Okay, we're all done, good to go. I know a lot of people skip this step, but like you guys saw, it does not take much time to do this, and it is absolutely worth the peace of mind.